it is hard to breathe.
I'm on the floor because today I took on the one chip challenge and I'm feeling it.
This is the one chip challenge. The Carolina and Scorpion Pepper chip. It's one chip. You've seen it around the internet. I bought this online. I think it was last year. It's like a sucker I am. I got suckered into buying last year's model. But whatever, I'm gonna try it anyways. This might be my last video ever because I might die from this. I'm just kidding. I will not die from this. I have asked a few doctor friends, but I'm actually really nervous about this. Oh my God, I don't want to do this. No one would know if I just turned off the camera and then did not do this, but I know. I spent, oh God, 30 bucks on this stupid chip. Okay, whatever, I'm gonna do it. I got my milk. I am gonna, oh, it's broken up. These GBs. All right, this is so dumb. Do not do this. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. What am I doing? Okay. Oh, it smells so bad. Guys, it smells so bad. But it is, so it's broken up. This was not a fully functional chip. It is broken up. Oh my God. Oh, it tastes so bad. I can't swallow it. This is the worst. Oh my. Oh, it's already starting. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Ooh. 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 It is hard to breathe. Oh my God. Oh, my tongue is already numb. Oh, I got hiccups. Oh. 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 I don't know how to breathe. I forgot how to breathe. Oh. Oh. I don't want to breathe. I do not. Oh, okay. Right now, we're a minute, 55 seconds in, a minute in. Okay. Oh, I'm crying. Not only is it hot, but the chip's so bad. Oh, ooh. Okay, a minute in. It is so spicy. It hurts to breathe. It hurts so bad to breathe. I want milk. Okay, at 2 minutes I'm gonna do it. It's a minute and 30. It's in the back of my throat now. Oh my God. My tongue doesn't work anymore. It's done. It's done for forever. It's done forever. Oh, I'm crying. Okay. This hurts. Okay. It's almost 2 minutes. I'm gonna do the milk. I need it. I really need it. Okay. Oh. Oh. That helped for a split second and then it's back. Oh. Okay. This was a mistake. This was the worst mistake I've ever made in my entire life. Not really, but. Oh, milk's not helping. It's not helping. It helps for a split second. I swear it's making it worse. Okay, I got ice cream too. Oh, cool it down. Oh, cool it down. Oh. Okay. said, I'm shaking. None of my senses are working. I don't taste this at all. It's just cold. It feels so good. And then the moment it goes down my gullet, it's hot again. Oh my God. Ooh. I might just have to down this whole ice cream. This would be what? Oh yeah, 800 calories. It's worth it though. It won't go away. It won't go away. It won't go away. I'm just gonna live with the pain, I guess. I just gotta learn how to deal with it. Right. We're at 4 minutes and 30 seconds in. It is not getting better. The roof of my mouth was fine for 2 minutes, and then somehow I think a little dusty wusty got up there, and then the roof of my mouth started hurting. My lips are okay, but the roof of my mouth and then my tongue will never work again. And then my throat hurts. It was coming down. I could feel the crystals, the heat crystals or whatever, the powder. Oh my God. There's no relief. There's no long-term relief for that. For this thing. This was so stupid. My heart rate is like, I have my damn watch on. It's in the hundreds. Oh. All right. It's okay now. It's okay. It's still hot. Like, it's still stupid hot, but I'm living with it. You know? I'm just living with it now. I decided I'm just gonna be hot the rest of my life. My tongue, my roof of my mouth, and my throat. It's gonna be hot forever now. That's it. That's all this stupid thing is gonna be. It's gonna be with me for the rest of my life. It's cute. Oh. I want this to go away. Oh, you know, my nose is running. Everything just wants to come out. I'm like shaking. Some of my muscles are twitching. Oh. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to tell you. This was such a bad idea. I may never recover. That's it. That's it. You know what the worst part about this is? It's 5 p.m. and I'm hungry for dinner. And I don't want to eat anything now. Nothing will, because every food I will have, I have a fear that it's just going to taste super spicy. Because my taste buds are off on vacation. They said, we'll see you later in a couple of years. This bad boy, the Carolina Reaper, and the scorpion peppers moved right in. We don't want to be with it. We don't want to be with them. No. So my taste buds went a little vacay. They say, sorry, buddy. Sorry, pal. You decided to do this stupid challenge. You saw around the internet, said, hey, how bad can this be? Well, there's the truth of it. It can be bad. It can be bad, all right? Okay, how far are we into this? 9 minutes and 30 seconds. In my gut, it just hit my gut. Oh, I want to lay down. I want to lay down so badly. Oh. Oh. Oh, the pain might be worse than the heat. I mean, the pain in my belly. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna quit this. I'm gonna turn the cameras off. I'm gonna go lay down. This is it. All right. Bye.